Hi everyone, it's me Ammarkhan. Recently, Twinmotion posted this animation sequence on its official Twinmotion page on Instagram. So I thought, why not make a tutorial on how you can do the same? This animation is quite simple. So first, we will add plan and then chamfer cubes and copy them multiple times. Add planters on the cubes. Now we will animate them by adding a translator. So place this translator to the object. Now you can see nothing happened yet. For a translator to work, you need to place objects under the translator like this. I have separated this object so you can easily understand what each option will do. First, we have distance. By this, you can set the movement of the object and how far it can go from its origin point. You can change the axis of the movement by clicking on more button. Second is the animation. When you select this option, your object will go upward and stop at the end. Second option is ping pong. Ping pong is like a ball. It will bounce back. This will add seamless motion. If you select this third option, loop, then your object will start from zero when it reaches to the top. So third option is speed. Basically it will add speed to the movement, how fast your model should move. And fourth option is triggered. This option we will discuss in upcoming videos. Now you will understand the process, how this animation will work. So now I'll just copy all the translator to the objects, and this is it. That's the video. So if you like my work, then please like, share and subscribe. Or if you didn't follow me yet on Instagram, so please follow me. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.